In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up Google Keep Notes. 5 minutes. Whether you want a quick copy of a few notes or a full archive of everything, I'll show you two reliable options and share tips to keep things organized and easy to restore. First, let's back up selected notes using Google Docs. Open keep.google.com in your browser and make sure you're signed into the right account. Click to select one note or use the check marks to select multiple notes at once. With your notes selected, look toward the top right and click the three dots menu. Choose Copy to Google Docs. Keep will create a new document containing the content of those notes. When you see the Open Doc link appear at the bottom, click it to jump straight into the new file. Inside the Google Doc, you can tidy up the formatting if you like. Checklists usually become standard lists and images are placed in line. Titles and timestamps may appear as text, so skim through to make sure everything looks the way you expect. When you're ready to save a backup, go to File, then Download, and pick the format you prefer, such as PDF or .docx. Give the file a clear name and store it somewhere safe, like a cloud drive or an external disk. If you're backing up a large set of notes, consider repeating this process for each label and naming files accordingly. Adding the date to the file name helps you track versions over time. This method is great for quick readable backups you can share or print. If you want a comprehensive backup of all your notes, use Google Takeout. In your browser, open Google Takeout. To avoid exporting everything from your account, click Deselect All, then scroll down and turn on only Google Keep. Continue by clicking Next Step. Choose the file type and delivery method that work best for you. A .zip file delivered by email is a good default, and you can also send the archive directly to cloud storage. You can adjust options like export frequency and maximum file size splits if they're available. Finally, click Create Export. Google will prepare your archive and email you a download link when it's ready. This can take a little time depending on how many notes you have. The archive typically includes each note as an HTML file, along with any attached images or audio, which makes it easy to view or move your content elsewhere. That's it. Use the Google Docs option for quick selective backups and Google Takeout for a complete snapshot of everything in Keep. Keep your backups dated and stored in at least two places, and you'll always have your notes when you need them.